Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can move application from your internal storage to your SD card on Android phone. Alright guys, first of all, go to your settings application on your Android phone, and then you're going to scroll down until you find the apps menu or app setting. So this is the app setting. Tap on it, and then you're going to select the application that you want to move to your SD card. And just for your information guys, that not all the apps can be moved to SD card, so you have to check first whether the app can be moved or not. And one of the apps which can be moved to our SD card is Instagram. So I'm going to select the Instagram application. So wait guys. Okay, and this is the Instagram. Tap on it, and then if you want to move this application to your SD card, you can select the storage option, and then we're going to change the storage location. We can click on change right here, and then just select SD card since we want to move the application to SD card, and you can simply click on move right here to move the application to the SD card. And after that, you just need to wait until the process is completed. Alright guys, and that's how we can move application from our internal storage to SD card on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.